loans, or the other name can be retail asset products. Various types of loans in banking or retail asset products. It means one and the same, because what is asset? Asset means loans. Okay, so follow the video till the end, because this video is important to you from the angle that asset products is an important topic in JAIIB. Let's start. Major retail lending products are given below. So I'll first give you all the major lending products which are used in retail banking. Number one, home loans. Understand important point. Whatever it's said over here, home loans are given for what? Number one, for purchase or construction of a new or old house or flat. Now see this, flat, it should be purchase over here. Flat purchase, it's not for construction of flat. Okay, flat purchase or extension of already built house. Okay, understand the difference between flat construction and flat purchase. When I say flat construction, it is done by the builder, developer, right? Developer always gets which loan? Okay, tell me that. Developer gets which type of loan? Does he or she get home loan, or does he or she get what is that called as? Everyone type in the comment section. What is that called as? Developer or the construction of flat schemes? You see every full flat schemes going here and there, right? Everywhere. So this developer will get which type of loan from this? It is called as builder finance, correct? RBI has classified this as builder finance. So flat construction is not at all a home loan. Okay, flat purchase is a home loan. See here, from this developer, suppose he has built 100 flats, so there would be 100 persons buying this flat. They will get home finance, but builder as such won't get home finance. Got it? So try to distinguish between the construction of flats and purchase of flats. Okay, for purchase or construction of a new or old house or flat purchase or extension of already built house. Clear? Okay, next one, home improvement decor loans. Means what? Suppose if I get some home loan and I want some top up on this for home improvement, there also home loan can be given. Means it's a not home loan, actually it's called as decor loan. Rate is a bit higher. So for repair, renovation, upgradation, painting and other repairs, these loans are given. Okay, the maximum amount of money that can be borrowed through a home renovation loan is 75 lakhs as offered by most of the banks. So maximum amount for this is 75 lakhs. Always remember this. Okay, now home decor loans are given generally to those who already have the home loans from the bank. Generally I am talking, it's not compulsory. I can give it to some new client also, but generally what happens, the one who has taken the home loan will always get a home decor loan within 1 year or 2 years next, if he or she has regular repayment. Okay, third is auto loans. Auto loans to buy a new car, old car, two-wheeler, etc. Means auto loans can be given to buy a new car also, as well as old car also. Remember, old car business is now gearing up. All the major players have entered into the old car system. Means Maruti, you know this na? Maruti has entered this old car purchase and sale. Then car dekho, there are many, car dekho, car lelo, what this and that, so many apps are there. So these are all called as organized sector. So when we have organized sector in anything, it becomes easy for the bank to finance them. Okay, so that's why old car business is also gearing up hugely. Earlier two-wheeler loans were not given by the banks. Banks always try to avoid this two-wheeler loans. Why? Because the amount was very less. At that time, roughly 4-5 years back, two-wheelers were at what rate generally? 40,000, 50,000, not more than that. But now two-wheelers have grown. Now minimum two-wheeler, one good two-wheeler costs around minimum 1 lakh. Minimum. Okay. So now this much is a okay amount. So as this amount is grown, okay, therefore banks have again started financing two-wheeler loans. Okay. And these loans are very easy. car loan, two-wheeler loan, these are very easy. Okay, no site visit, nothing is to be done, isn't it? No valuation. Only in old car valuation is required, but that's an organized sector. These Maruti old car and this car dekho, they themselves have their own valuers. They'll put the valuation. So it becomes easy for the banks to finance. Okay. So auto loans. Okay. Got it? Everyone is getting this up till now. Type yes in the comment section if you are understanding this up till now. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Move on. Personal loans. Personal loans are unsecured backed by personal guarantee. So unsecured loans backed by personal guarantee. Okay. Public sector banks are cautious in these loans due to high rate of defaults. Okay. Now the point over here is how to reduce this high rate of defaults. To reduce the high rates of default, there is a very good basic platform banks have got, that is CIBIL. The one whose CIBIL score is high, generally 99% I am telling you, generally that person has a good track record of repaying the loans. So if CIBIL score is good, you can very well consider that there are less chances that the person will default. That's why his or her CIBIL score is better, isn't it? If you have defaulted twice, thrice, 4 times, your CIBIL score will be down. Okay? So that's why this has become as a major savior for the personal loans now. Okay? LAP, loan against property. It's a secured loan that is sanctioned against the asset pledged as collateral. So asset means which asset? Loan against property. Property is pledged as collateral. So which property? Property can be owned house, owned land, a house, or any other commercial premise also. See this, land is also allowed, house is also allowed, and commercial premise is also allowed. All the three are allowed for loan against property. Okay. Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you are getting premium study material plus live classes plus ebooks plus tests, everything you are getting. Okay. So download it right now. You are getting various classes also. Next is loan against securities. Now LAS we call it, LAS. Some banks call it loan against shares. Loan against simply shares. Okay. But really speaking, shares word is not that much sufficient as such. Why? Because securities can be anything. I can have shares, I can have insurance policies, I can have mutual funds, I can have government bonds. So anything can be called as security. Securities means physical, not physical asset, paper assets. Okay. So loan against securities is a loan where you pledge your shares, mutual fund or life insurance policies as collateral to the bank against your loan. Right. So LIC policy or this life insurance policy is, what is it done? It is pledged, or what is the next part over here? It is called as assignment. Always remember, assignment. Okay. Mutual funds are pledged, shares are pledged, but insurance policy is assigned. Okay. So where you pledge the shares and mutual funds or government bonds also, and insurance policy you assign it in the name of the bank. In that case what happens? Bank takes these documents as a collateral and gives you the amount. Generally the haircut factor over here is 50%. So if you are having the insurance policy paid amount, remember this, it's not sum assured. Okay. It is always the surrender value. Surrender, or very important word, surrender value. In insurance, this is very important. Surrender value. Suppose if your surrender value is 1 lakh, then bank will give you maximum up to 60,000. Okay. Gold loan, also called as loan against gold, is a secured loan taken by the borrower from the lender by pledging their gold articles within the range of 18 to 24 carats as collateral. So gold loan is what? Again secured loan. Obviously this is secured loan. Pledging the gold. Here gold is always pledged. Okay. Now you'll say, sir, somewhere you are saying assign, somewhere you are saying pledge. What is the actual part? Various types of methods of giving this as security. There are basically there are 5 types of methods. Okay. One is mortgage, mortgage. Always house is mortgage or any property is mortgage. Static. Okay, static. Second is HP, hypothecation. Hypothecation means movable asset. Movable asset. That is always hypothecated. Means go roughly this stock, then cars. Car loan when you give, you hypothecate it. Okay, two-wheeler, anything. Then next is what? Lien. Lien is always done against FD, own document, own bank document. It is always liened. Next is assignment. Assign. And last one is pledge. Okay. So what is assigned? Assigned means it's always paper documents are assigned. Third party paper documents means insurance policies. LIC, I'll write it. That's simple to understand. LIC policy, that is assigned. Kisan Vikas Patra, these are assigned. Then pledge. Pledge is always the commodity kept in some warehouse or somewhere. So generally warehouse financing, we pledge it. Warehouse, okay. It's generally given in agricultural parts, okay. Warehouse financing. So coming back. Gold is secured by pledging the gold to to the bank. So it is in the range of 18 to 24 carats. Importantly, remember the loan amount provided is a certain percentage of gold, typically up to 80% based on the current market value and quality of the gold. So generally they give 80% is written, but banks don't give more than 60% now. Okay, 60 to 70% because there are huge fluctuations in the gold market. Okay. So let me come to the questions part now. Let me see how many of you can answer. Okay, let's start. Home loans are sanctioned by the banks for the following purpose. Why is home loan sanctioned? Purchase, construction of a house, construction of a flat, purchase of land and construction. Both 1 and 3 means 1 and 3. And all of the above means 1, 2 and 3. So what is the answer? Type fast in the comment section. Either 4 or 5. Okay. So what is the answer? Correct, correct. Yes. It is. Very good. The answer is what? Everyone, the answer is? Answer is yes. Just now I told you something about construction of flats, right? So the answer is what? The answer is correct. Fourth, both 1 and 3, not all of the above. Because construction of flats is called as a builder finance. Builder. Okay. Builder finance. Got it? Move on. Auto loans are given by banks for the following purposes. So why are auto loans given by the banks? Purchase of new car, purchase of used car, purchase of two-wheelers and all of the above. So why are auto loans given by the banks? New car, old car, two-wheelers or all of the above. So what do you say? Just now I told you, isn't it? It is what? It is all of the above, correct? Okay. New car, used car, two-wheelers, everywhere it's called as auto loan, but it does not include. What does it does not include? Does not include. What it does not include? Okay, tell me one thing. Something which does not include. Suppose if I want to buy a truck, okay, or I want to buy a JCB, will it be included in the car, this auto loans? No, that is not an auto loan. Okay, that is a separate loan. These are called as heavy vehicles. There is a separate segment for this financing. This and this auto loan segment are totally separate. Okay, these are mainly related to business, capital goods, right? Capital goods. Got it? Clear, everyone? Shall we move on ahead? Everyone? Yeah? Before going ahead, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting latest updates on JAIIB and JAIIB number 1. And number 2, you will be getting free YouTube series on all the topics of JAIIB and JAIIB. Right now, what are you watching? You are watching the same free YouTube series. So click on the bell icon, click on this subscribe button, everyone. Okay. STPL are sanctioned by the banks based on. So STPL means what? Small ticket personal loans. That is called as STPL. Okay. Small ticket personal loan. What do you mean by small ticket? Small ticket means lower amounts. Okay. Lower amounts. Lower amounts means, see here, STPL doesn't mean very low amounts. It means somebody might think lower amounts means roughly it will be 10,000, 20,000. No, it's not that. It starts from very less amount, starting from 10,000 also you can say. Okay, theoretically even 1,000 rupees is allowed, but it goes up to 10 lakhs. STPL generally go up to 10 lakhs. Okay. So STPLs are sanctioned by the banks based on what? CIBIL score plus income proof. Only on basis of CIBIL score. None of the above. One or two depending on the bank. Now depending on the bank means bank's risk profile. So what do you say? CIBIL plus income only on basis of CIBIL means either of these two. What do you say? Let us think over here. Who can answer this? Is the answer 4 or is the answer 1? Only two choices now. Is the answer this one or is the answer this one? 4. Only two choices. So what can be the answer? Everyone? It is correct. 1 or 2 depending on the bank. See here, one thing I'll clarify about it. This STPLs are sanctioned mainly on this only. 2. Only on the basis of CIBIL score. But what happens? Still many of the nationalized banks have not grown up to that level or grown up to that curve of sanctioning the loans based on CIBIL score only. So what do? They take the CIBIL score as well as the income proof. So that's why 1 or 2 depending on the bank. In many of the private banks, this loan is STPLs are sanctioned based on CIBIL score only. Only 2. But the right answer if it comes in the exam, at least for JAIIB now, is this. Okay. 1 or 2 depending on the bank. Personal loans are sanctioned by the banks based on salary in case of employees, monthly or annual income in case of business, number of years in service or in business, and all of the above. So what is this? This is simpler one, isn't it? What you say, guys? Means suppose if you have to sanction a home loan, personal loan tomorrow in your bank, what will you check? If that person is salaried person, you will check whether he is getting a regular salary, he or she getting a regular salary, right? How much is the amount? Remember one thumb rule, in case of salary you can't charge an EMI greater than 50% of the salary. Okay, otherwise what happens, that person won't have the income to run his family also, isn't it? Monthly annual income in case of business, obviously, isn't it? And number of years in the service. So all these 3 things will be checked. So the answer is all of the above. Correct. Okay. Retail loan processing centers of the banks are designed to, means what are these retail loan processing centers? Here it's like this. Logic is very simple. Suppose this is my city complete. Let's say any city. Let me call it what? Mumbai. Okay, this is my city. Mumbai is a big city. Let me not call it Mumbai. Let me call it Pune. Okay, Pune. Pune is also big, yeah. Pune is also not that small now. Okay, so okay, let's consider Pune. Now if there are, let's say, 5 branches, I am giving an example of 5 branches. There are almost more than 100 branches. So if there are 5 branches of any bank in Pune, okay, so what will it do? It will open a center over here somewhere at the center of which is easy for all the branches. And center means not only physical center, it can be anywhere. Nowadays it's online. So this center I am giving you for just for the pictorial representation. Okay, it can be anywhere. It can be in Delhi also. This center can be in Delhi also, because nowadays everything is online, right? So what will it do? These banks, these branches will collect the documents and send it scanned or physical, whatever it is, as per the bank's risk appetite. So they'll collect the document and send it to the processing center. Processing center will process the loans and give the sanctions as such. Sanction and the disbursement process as such. So Once the documents reach, they check it, sanction it, they'll send it back to the branch that please disburse the loan. Now it depends on bank to bank. Some banks have this arrangement that this processing center only disburses the loan. That is also allowed. So depending on bank to bank. Okay. So are designed to what? Source retail asset business, process retail loans, do the valuation, legal opinion wherever necessary, and all of the above. So what is the job of this retail loan processing center? It is, yeah, correct. It is not to source. Sourcing is done by the branches. Remember, branches. This is done by the branches. Okay. Do the valuation, legal opinion? No, again by the branches. Why? Because this processing center will only inform them, get the legal report. So they'll inform the legal report, but this legal report has to be done by the branches. So its job is only to process. So the answer is correct one is process retail loans. Okay. Retail loan processing centers of the banks are designed to process the retail loan. That's the only job. Okay. Now let me come to the batches. See this. JAIIB batches just now started. All the 4 subjects are covered: PPB, IFS, AFM, and retail banking and wealth management. All the numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. 80% discount is going on. Double validity on Mahapacks. Use the code Y432. How to use it? Okay, let's see that. Go to Adda 24/7. If you are having the app, go to the app. Okay, in the app you are getting 1% extra using the coin system. Okay, so go to Adda 24/7. Click on JAIIB and CIB. You'll see the details over here. Click on JAIIB 23. Okay, clicked. You'll see the batches over here. See the batches. Okay, click on this English batch. Again you'll get the details of the batch. Means what are the dates, what are the timings, everything you'll get it over here. Okay, study plans. Importantly, recorded videos are available 24/7. So this is very important for you, because if you miss out on any class, you can definitely get back. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. See this, 80% off means 1999 reduces to 3999. Such a huge discount you guys are getting. Go for it immediately. In fact, I would suggest you should go for Mahapack. In Mahapacks, what are you getting? In Mahapacks, you are getting 15 plus batches per subject. Click on see this JAIIB, CIB, Mahapack, JAIIB 23. Okay. Oh, sorry. Click on JAIIB, CIB, Mahapack. See this. Click over here. You'll get this. See this. JAIIB ka Mahapack, JAIIB, CIB ka Mahapack. Click on JAIIB, CIB, Mahapack. Why? Because when you clear JAIIB right now, okay, in this May, you'll get almost 24 months, 20 months more. So 2 months have gone for JAIIB. Then remaining almost 21 months, you'll be getting it for CIB. So you'll use the same package for CIB. Okay. So use it. You can go through the details also. I'll come to the cost part. See this cost part, again the fees are very less, right? 15 plus batches are available, but obvious. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Okay. So 53,996 reduces to 10,799. You are getting, how much offer you are getting? 10,799 for 12 plus 12, 24 months. It's less than the tea expense of on your daily basis. Okay, so go for it. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye. Keep studying. Okay, importantly, join the batches. Why?